If the sun is shining, it's a good time to make resin jewelry. I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the EPRESINART UV resin. This is great if you're going to try and make a lot of resin jewelry. I like that it has a plug so that you can make sure it's going to stay fresh for a long time. You can press that back in, close the top. You can mix it with resin pigment. I was making ocean scenes, and this mixed so well with the pigment. I also mixed it with some sand. This really made spreading out the sand so easy. You put the shell in, harden it, add your beach colors and your waves, the dark, the turquoise, add that white and swirl it into each unique, beautiful pieces of artwork. The resin was so easy to control, especially when I had to put the one last coat to seal everything in. You're going to put it under a UV light, and now you have beautiful, unique beach creations. And you can make amazing, beautiful jewelry anywhere with this resin. But that's just my point of view.